the session, sir.
Sure, sure.
It has been on live on YouTube also.
Okay. But it was at 3 o'clock, no? So,
Yes, sir, now it's 3:05. We can
okay,
start.
okay. Fine.
Sir, we are live now. We are live in both Zoom and YouTube, sir. You can start with it.
Okay. But there's nobody else here other than the TAs.
We'll wait for some time, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir, there are students actually.
Sagar, you want to say something?
Yes. So there are 5 students who are registered for the course, and those are the only active ones who are actually submitting the exercises.
Okay, for the exam, right?
Yeah, and those are the
All
only
right.
ones who are actually submitting the exercises. So at most
Okay.
5 exercises are I'm getting every week.
Okay, fine. And how are they doing?
Yeah, they're doing good. Some are really good. There is one boy called Amay Boronkar. He's
Ah.
good.
He's from where?
I suppose he's from Mumbai. From which institute I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, he's one good candidate. There's also one more good candidate. I don't know his name. The email is
Okay.
very bad.
All right.
Yeah, but rest all are average. Like the score is also around 60-65 for them.
Okay, fine. Yeah, as you know, this course, not many were expected to.
Yeah.
Usually, I have noticed that offline courses, offline exams are not preferred.
Yeah.
Hello, Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
You are in the lab?
No, I'm in my room.
Okay. I will talk to you more tomorrow sometime. I will come to the
Sure, sir.
institute.
No problem, sir.
Sagar, are there emails which are not yet answered on the portal?
No. All the mails have been answered. The last
Okay.
query was given on 12th of March. There is no query since then.
Okay.
Yeah, it was last on 5th March, not even 12th, 5th March.
Okay. Sagar, are you attending these VCA seminars?
No.
I
I
think you should attend them because if you are especially working in computational commutative algebra, then there are some interesting talks there.
oh let me see.
You can
Sure.
you can send your email to, I don't know whether Kriti or this other one, to add in that mailing list so that you will get
Okay.
mailing emails about who are giving the seminars.
Yes. I'll ask Kriti or any. I'll just look
But
at the site and contact them.
yeah, Kriti is in America now,
Hmm.
but she is the one who created that homepage.
Yes.
What happened? We are waiting. Nobody is coming.
Yeah.
Hello, Naveen.
Yes, sir.
Naveen, nobody is coming. How long we wait?
We'll wait for another 5 minutes, sir. If no questions, we'll wind up the session, sir.
Okay.
Already it's 3:10. We'll wait till 3:15. No questions, we'll wind up, sir.
I didn't get your voice is splitting.
Now the time is 3:11, sir. We'll wait till 3:15 on 5.
Okay.
If no questions come, we'll wind up the session.
Okay, fine.
Sir, as there is no question, we'll wind up, sir.
Will wind up?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Thank you very much, Naveen. Thanks, Sagar and Nikhil.
Okay, sir.
But there is somebody here, Rowan was. Who is that?
Rowan is there, right?
Hello.
Yes. Hello,
Hello,
Rowan.
sir. Can you hear me?
Naveen,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
there
we
is
can hear you,
some
Rowan.
candidate here, Rowan.
Yes, sir. Rowan was is there.
Hello.
Does anyone have any question?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I joined late. I had some technical issues with the internet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me, Rowan.
Yes, the course is going good. I'm happy with it. The things are very smooth and I'm understanding everything so far.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I had taken your linear algebra course also last semester. It went good. So I decided to take up this one also. And it's going as a good thing so far.
And how did you fare in linear algebra course?
Yes, I cleared it. I got around 51.
Okay.
Uh,
And
final.
you are from where?
I'm from Goa, sir. Chocolate College.
Goa. And so this course is little demanding and it might need more background than what I have done in linear algebra. So are you comfortable with that?
Yes, so far it's everything is going comfortable. Like all the things, like whatever prerequisites are there, you have covered them very well in the course. So like I don't have to refer much to other books also.
Fine. But you are the only one.
Oh, I don't know.
So I wish our intention was the more and more people will come for such a course so that we can spread it on this platform, which is free.
Hmm.
So do you have any idea why people are not taking such courses?
No idea, sir. I don't know.
You don't have any other colleagues or students?
No, sir. The colleagues are not so interested in this thing because so far this is actually my third course which I'm studying right now through NPTEL. This is the third course which I'm doing so far through NPTEL. None of my other colleagues have done so far.
And which are the courses?
Last semester I did linear algebra with you. Prior to that, I had done one more course called Fourier analysis with Professor Gopal from IIT Bombay.
Very good. You have made a good choice with Gopal.
Yes.
And next semester again, our repeat course will come, Galva theory.
Yes,
so if you want, you can
actually,
attend that also.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, I'm thinking of going towards research in computer, this thing, linear algebra or partial differential equations only. So like between linear algebra and commutative algebra, like what are the topics which are available, like which I should proceed on?
See, Rowan, to be very frank, there is linear algebra is not a topic of do research.
Yeah. Yes.
Linear algebra is
That's
a
the
tool
difficult thing.
nowadays. I mean, there is nothing to do research there. Everything is linear algebra is a tool to study many other subjects.
Yes. It's only coming in a like applied topic like numerical linear algebra or
No,
something
it will come in Galva theory also. It would have come in the course you are attending now. This is introduction to algebraic geometry, commutative algebra. So linear algebra is inevitable. It will come mostly in applied mathematics courses, so-called applied mathematics courses. But if you see their prerequisite of linear algebra is weak. That was the reason why I wanted to start this course, linear algebra, so that many people can use it.
Yes.
All right. Any other comment you have?
So now you have one more course I checked on this thing on just pure commutative algebra. How is that different from this one?
My course or
Yes,
somebody else's?
Your course, you have recorded it some years prior to this one.
Yes, that was, see, algebraic geometry is more, algebraic geometry is more broader. And commutative algebra is one of the prerequisites is needed to do research in algebraic geometry.
Okay.
So in this course, the course you are attending, the one we are talking about introduction to algebraic geometry and commutative algebra, I have only began. That's why it is called introduction to algebraic geometry. This is, you can say, this is the first course on algebraic geometry. And whatever commutative algebra, elementary commutative algebra was needed, that is also we have developed in this course.
Yeah.
And if you further study, then more and more commutative algebra will come in there. And not only commutative algebra, there other algebras like homological algebra will also come.
Okay.
So, and all these background is also very important to subjects like algebraic number theory and so on.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Any other question you have?
Okay. So now after completing this course, like what should I be reading like to proceed towards doing research in this area?
It depends on what kind of interest. If you are interested in differential equation, then this course,
Yeah, this will be opposite this thing.
yeah, this you may not need for. Of course, there is
Yeah.
a connection, but that connection is very deeper, and you will have to study many more years to realize that. And most people who work in differential equation, they may not be interested in such.
Yeah. No, I had to keep that option because like I thought it might be easier to get in.
Get in where?
Into an admission somewhere, because in there are many people with differential equations around, at least in Goa. So like it becomes easier to get in. Like algebra and this type, I have to apply with two options.
Okay. I don't know what admission you are talking about for PhD.
Yes, sir. PhD I'm referring to.
But there are ample opportunities. I mean, why do you have to remain in Goa? You can go anywhere else.
Yes, sir.
There's
No,
so
I'm
many
just
opportunities, so many scholarships available, IITs, new ISRs, many good universities, even in India.
Yes, sir.
So there are so many. There are 18. I don't know how many IITs are there. 18?
No, it's gone up to
Maybe
22, 25 somewhere now.
Yeah. So there are so many IITs.
Yeah.
And so many ISRs. Now, Sagar will be able to tell you more about IITs because he is in IIT.
Yes, sir.
You can also try in IISc.
Okay.
So there are so many opportunities now.
No, actually, since like I was okay with both the topics, so I said let us just read more and see which should be the final choice. So right now I'm just like that.
Did you also do
stage.
differential equation course online?
Yes, I'm actually currently pursuing Professor Nandakumaran's partial differential equations course.
And how do you like it?
That's going good enough because he has a book also on that topic, and he has explained that course in very much detail. What we used to study during MSc was only like solving problems, but he has explained the theory a lot in this course.
Okay.
Professor Nandakumaran and Professor Datti's course it is.
Yes, I know. Both of them are my colleagues.
Yes. You are at ISC right now, so you were in IIT Bombay previously, or?
I'm retired actually from IISc Bangalore. Just in the last July, I retired from IISc Bangalore.
Okay. And you were connected to IIT Bombay before or something?
Yes, I was in IIT Bombay for 1 year. I was visiting there for 1 year.
Oh, okay.
That is where I met this Sagar.
Okay.
Sagar was just finished MSc that time, and then he helped me and he attended my courses, and now see he is in IIT Chennai. Sagar, you can tell him more.
Yeah, I will also suggest you to go outside. Don't just think about Goa or places that are nearby you. So try to approach as much higher institutes as possible, outside institutes. Find a good professor rather than find a good institute.
Yeah. No, right now my problem is actually that I didn't get JRF. Okay, so and I crossed the JRF limit also of 28 years. So because of that, like since most of them have put that criterion, I'm kind of restricted to only institutes which are taking without that. That's the thing.
Leaves you with GATE.
So I'm left with only BITS Goa right now and IIT Goa and the other small IITs.
NBHM is still an option left. You can.
Yeah, I'm still attempting NBHM. So let's see if NBHM gets through, then I can get a bigger set of institutes.
Yeah.
You are originally from Goa or from where?
Yes, sir, I'm staying from Goa only. I did my master's in Pune.
Pune University?
Yes, sir.
So how was that there? I was also a master's from Pune University.
Yes, I know. Actually, module theory was taught to me by Professor TTR. Okay, so like after studying modules in your this thing, I enjoyed it more because I could realize what is going on here. Back then, my basics in algebra was not so good. Okay, so I couldn't take the best advantage of the course that time. So now, like after the lockdown, I went through the Galleon in April and May 2020. I read through entire Galleon, and then I understood the basics of algebra better. So this why algebra has become a new topic for me. It's like differential equations, PD. There were like old topics which I had kind of done much before. So like only in the last 2 years, I'm kind of increase my interest in algebra. Okay, so now like I'm understanding what I was learning in module theory and all back then.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
All right. If you have any other question about this course, you can ask us.
So paper pattern will be same like linear algebra only, no? It will be answering a pen and paper.
Yeah, it will be same. It will be same.
Okay.
And I always keep telling everybody, don't worry about exams. If your basics are clear, exams will be clear.
Yeah.
And it will not be difficult then.
Yeah. So actually last time the exam was very easy, but I felt the paper was a bit lengthy. That was the only thing because I felt I spent a lot of time in writing down things. It was very easy actually. I knew all the answers. So I was very well prepared, but still I couldn't perform well in it because I kind of wasted a lot of time in the initial part of the paper.
So you have to see that is the whole game of the exams, all exams.
Yeah. Yeah, the time management thing of writing things down faster.
Yes.
Like nothing was out of the world as such. Everything was like within the expected, whatever was taught in class, that only kind of.
Yes, and how are you finding the exercises?
The exercises are good enough. Only yesterday's exercise assignment 7 was a bit tough. Okay, but I still managed to get it through.
Okay.
So
see, there should be some problems which are tough. If everything is easy,
then there's no fun. Yeah, then it becomes too easy. Like linear algebra was an easy course for me, but the problems were very challenging enough, and they were like enjoying to solve them.
Yeah, you enjoy. Once you say you are enjoying, then that means you are learning something. Many people think that it is burden.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. So, Naveen?
Yes, sir.
Naveen, we are finished. Only one candidate is there. So, shall we close down?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Rohan. All the best for your exam and all the best for your future. So,
yes, sir.
Bye-bye. Anything you want, you can write to the portal.
Yes, sir. I'll write to you if there's any other issue also.
Yes.
Okay.
Sagar?
Thanks for helping.
Okay.
Yes,
Sagar?
sir. Yes, sir.
And Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you, thank you very much. And I'll talk to you some other time.
Sure,
okay?
sure.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.